As per the most recent long-haul gauge, Ethereum cost will hit $5,000 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $6,000 toward the finish of 2025. Ethereum will ascend to $7,000 inside the extended time of 2027, $8,000 in 2030, $9,000 in 2031, and $10,000 in 2033. About Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source blockchain framework that in a general sense expands the idea of blockchain past its unique relationship with digital currencies like Bitcoin. Presented in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and a group of engineers, Ethereum is planned as a decentralized stage that empowers savvy agreements and circulated applications dApps to be fabricated and worked with practically no margin time, extortion, control, or impedance from an outsider. At its center, Ethereum's essential development lies in its utilization of brilliant agreements. Shrewd agreements are self-executing contracts with the particulars of the arrangement straightforwardly composed into lines of code. These agreements naturally implement and execute the particulars of the understanding in view of predefined rules, without the requirement for go-betweens. This capacity has opened up an immense range of uses, from the production of decentralized finance DeFi stages that proposition loaning, getting, and exchanging administrations without the requirement for conventional monetary delegates, to the production of decentralized independent associations DAOs that work in view of aggregate decision production of their individuals without unified administration. Ethereum likewise presented the idea of a programmable blockchain, where designers can make their own tasks of any intricacy, in this manner empowering the production of different decentralized applications. This is worked with by Ethereum's local programming language, robustness, which permits engineers to compose brilliant agreements and convey them on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum's importance lies in its cryptographic money as well as in its far-reaching applications empowered by savvy contracts. A stage is made ready for another time of decentralized computerized applications, from money and gaming to inventory network to board, and then some, trying customary models of control and offering another worldview of conveyed agreement and trust. Why is the Ethereum cost so unstable? Ethereum, in the same way as other digital currencies, is known at its cost unpredictability. This implies the cost of Ethereum can rise or fall decisively in an exceptionally brief time frame. A few variables add to this unpredictability, making it both an interesting and dangerous speculation. Market opinion, right off the bat, assumes a gigantic part. Reports, virtual entertainment posts, and public explanations by compelling individuals can influence individuals' discernments decidedly or adversely, prompting fast cost changes. For example, on the off chance that a notable business visionary tweets something certain about Ethereum, its cost could flood as additional individuals race to get it. Trusting the worth will keep on climbing. Hypothesis additionally adds to the instability. Many individuals purchase Ethereum not to utilize it, but rather trusting it will increment in esteem so they can sell it at a benefit. This theoretical exchanging can prompt quick cost swings as financial backers respond to momentary open doors or dangers, frequently founded on restricted data or bits of gossip. The liquidity of Ethereum, how effectively it very well may be traded at a steady cost, likewise influences its unpredictability. Contrasted with conventional business sectors like stocks or land, the digital money market is less fluid. Importance, even little exchanges can hugely affect the market cost. This absence of liquidity can prompt emotional cost developments as dealers endeavor to enter or leave their positions. Moreover, administrative news can cause critical cost developments. At the point when an administration declares new guidelines or boycotts concerning cryptographic forms of money, it can prompt vulnerability among financial backers. For instance, in the event that a significant economy like the US or China presents severe guideline, it could make the cost dive as individuals dread the effect on Ethereum's convenience and acknowledgement. Ultimately, the innovation and improvement of Ethereum itself can impact its cost. Refreshes, new elements, or massive changes in the Ethereum blockchain can prompt cost changes. Financial backers could respond emphatically to updates that work on the stage's proficiency, security, or adaptability, prompting cost increments. On the other hand, postponements or issues with updates can prompt abatements in cost. Verifiable forecasts. So 415224. Ethereum Value Forecast 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $3,142.38, so the cost expanded by 37% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $6,306 and the year-to-year change plus 175%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 101%. In 2024, we hope to see $4,349 per 1 Ethereum. In the primary portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $7,970. In the final part, the cost would add $823 and close the year at $8,793, which is plus 180% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2026-2030. Ethereum forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $11,872 to $15,307, which is plus 29%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $11,872, then dip to $11,160 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $11,788. It is about plus 275% from today. It's 4012 into 4. Ethereum value forecast 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $3,608.69, so the cost expanded by 57% from the very outset of the year. The determined Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $8,359 and the year-to-year change plus 264%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 132%. In 2024, we hope to see $5,765 per 1 Ethereum. In the primary portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $10.10 to $564. In the last part, the cost would add $1.91 and close the year at $11,655, which is plus 223% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $11,655 to $15,736, which is up 35%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $11,655. Then dip to $9,920 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $10,254. That implies plus 184% from today. Ethereum forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $15,736 to $22,287, which is plus 29%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $15,736. Then dip to $14,792 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $15,624. It is about plus 333% from today. It's a 3152 into 4. Ethereum value forecast 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum